guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like actually hold on, I have a picture. I'm be trying to do just like this eye look. Hold on, I'll show you. It's by, her name is Tori Josephine, I think. Her eye looks are amazing. She does these really pretty, like, that's what I'm trying to do today. So I'm gonna try to also do it like circular. I usually like wing out my eyeshadow, but I'm gonna try to do like circular, like how hers is. So yeah, I'm gonna do one eye off camera. Hopefully it looks nice, and then I'll come back and explain what I did. Alright, I'm back. So I'm actually pretty happy with the way this eye turned out. It turned out a little bit darker than hers, obviously, because like we're different colors, so I had to make it darker on me. But yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. I think I'm gonna zoom the camera in a little bit, just because like my other videos are usually like chit chat, get ready with me. This one's kind of like a tutorial. Before I get into the eyes, I use this Beauty Bay 42 color bright palette, and literally I am obsessed with this palette. It's only $20, and literally it has all these beautiful shades. Like, it's like I wanted a colorful palette, and this one is literally so perfect. Like, the colors are very pigmented and bright for $20, like this huge palette, and I swear it's huge. So like, for example, I feel like this is kind of like a basic thing that everybody has, a glow kit. This is it compared to the glow kit, and it feels like heavy. Like, it doesn't feel like the shades have like none in them. Like, it feels nice. The shades are huge. Like, it's just so freaking beautiful. And like, there's a lot of matte, but there's also a lot of shimmers. Like, I know sometimes the problem will be like there's not enough mattes compared to shimmers, but I'm pretty sure like every color on here that has is like a shimmer is also a matte. But yeah, it's just this beautiful palette, and I'm just like obsessed with it. So if you want an affordable colorful palette, definitely get this. So I'm pretty sure they're in the UK, like it's a UK brand. Yeah, I think it's because of the way they spell color. So it took like, I mean, it didn't take that long to get to me, but it wasn't like super quick, obviously, because it's in the UK. But it came perfect. It's huge. The colors are amazing. The shades are amazing, and it was only $20. I don't know if there was like a deal or something, but get it while you can. I'm definitely going to be ordering more palettes from this. Oh, and it's cruelty free and vegan. Girl, Beauty Bay, like, come on, come through. This is like my new favorite palette. Like, I'm literally obsessed with it. You can do neutral eyes, you can do colorfuls. Like, ugh, I just love this palette. So yeah, if you're looking for an affordable, amazing pigmented palette, definitely get this one from Beauty Bay. Okay, so I zoomed in a little bit more, and this is the eye look. I'm so obsessed with it. Like, I literally love it. So first, I already did my eyebrows and stuff off camera. Please ignore my eyebrows. They need done. They're bad. I need to learn how to do my eyebrows. Yada yada. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids with concealer. I'm gonna prime my eyelids with concealer, and I'm gonna use this Real Techniques Beauty Sponge and just tap that in. I haven't been setting my concealer, and literally it's been amazing. Like, I know in the past I was like, oh no, like I always do it because I'm not that good, but like I honestly feel like this look like blended itself. I was literally shocked. It's probably a mixture of like not putting powder on in these eyeshadows. Like, I'm telling you, like, it sounds like I'm literally sponsored by Beauty Bay or something, but no, I'm like, listen, I like a deal. So like, this palette was so cheap, and the colors are literally amazing, and I feel like I was just looking for a nice colorful palette. Like, I wasn't really that into I was into makeup, but I wasn't that good enough to use colorful palettes when the Morphe had their like 35B or whatever. But this one, I mean, I can't compare them because I never had the Morphe one, but this one is so amazing. Like, it's literally so beautiful. Okay, so now that concealer is on, first I'm gonna take, oh, and they have names. I was just about to say, I don't think they have names. Okay, so I'm gonna take Drama Queen, literally me right this second. I am in love with this brush for this technique. It is the, oh, it's like coming off, but I can see it. It's a Morphe G13, and I think it was like this metal collection. But so first I'm just gonna take Drama Queen, which is like a dark purple. I'm gonna put it a little bit lower than my crease. I'm just gonna tap it on. A little bit lower than my crease, but also like on my crease. Also, I'm doing like it in a circle. Usually I wouldn't, like, you see how it's like a circle and it's all combined. It's all like, not like, oh my god, I'm terrible at explaining things. It's just like in a circle. That's, so I'm gonna put it in a circle. Usually I would just like blend it out, like I really don't care, but now I'm gonna try to contain it in this circle. And now I'm gonna take Sugar Plum and I'm gonna tap that off. I'm gonna put it above it, but also like move it side to side in little sections to start blending out the purple. And I don't know if you guys can see that, if it's picking up on camera. It already is starting to look super blended. And I also like this brush because it's like a little bit flat, but it's also fluffy, so you can blend stuff out. Red, I know it seems weird, but I take the red, it's like a dark red. I'm gonna do the same thing and just start blending it and putting it in little, like blending it in little sections, just going back and forth in little sections though. I take the Morphe M441 brush and I'm gonna dip in Hot Stuff and Sugar Plum, tap it off and just start blending it out a little bit more. Also, I usually, like, I've tried purple eyeshadow looks and purple has never showed. This is so crazy because it literally sounds like it's a sponsored video, but purple shadows have never like really showed up that good on my eyes, and this purple does. Like, it's just such a good palette. Now I'm gonna take this really beautiful orange color. It's called Heat Wave. I'm gonna tap that on. I'm gonna take the Morphe brush again, dip into it, and then just blend it out. So I think it's the way my eyes are shaped. I always get like right here, you see how there's a line, so I'm just gonna take some more Heat Wave, tap it off, and just go in circular motions right here and just try to blend that out. Now I'm gonna dip into Heat Wave and also Hello Sunshine, which is like a yellow color, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Some of the like purple got blended away, so I'm just gonna tap into Sugar Plum, which is a lighter purple, and put it above my crease. And then I'm gonna do Sugar Plum and Drama Queen, both of them, tap it out. And now that that is like blended out, I'm gonna take this small blending brush. It's from BH Cosmetics. It actually, the number came off, but like this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna dip into Drama Queen, but also I'm gonna dip into Stormy Night, which is like a dark blue color, and I'm gonna put that right in my crease. Actually, I'm gonna put it in my crease, but then higher, because as you can see on this eye, when I cut the crease, I did it a little bit higher than my crease, just so like when you open your eyes, you can see it a little bit. And keep going back in and blending these out. Now I'm gonna take this super flat brush. It doesn't really have a name. And I'm gonna take some concealer. The type of concealer you use for this part really doesn't matter because you're just like doing the shape right now. So I'm gonna get some concealer and I'm gonna cut the crease. I feel like putting concealer down first makes the eyeshadow come off easier. I don't know if that's actually a thing. Now I'm going to take this ABH Cream Contour Kit in the shade Fair, and I think I'm using Fair, which is this light shade, and now I'm going to actually like cut the crease. One video, I do not remember who it was, but it was like someone who did other people's makeup, like client makeup, and she said that she always told her clients to sniff if their eyes started watering and then it doesn't fall. And literally ever since I started doing that, it worked. Like my eyes don't be watering. I mean, they water, but the tears don't fall. I'm gonna go back into the Beauty Bay palette, and I'm gonna go in with White Lies. I'm just gonna pull my lid and put that in the inner corner. Not the inner corner, in the inner part of my eye. I'm gonna take Tutu, which is a pink color, and Sugar Plum and mix them and put that in the middle. Now I'm gonna take Wisteria and just put that and mix it with Drama Queen. Put that on the outer part. Now I'm gonna take more of the pink and purple, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Then I'm gonna take the small blending brush, get some Tutu on it, and just blend those colors together. Take some Stormy Night and put that on the outer. I'm gonna take a liner brush and I'm gonna flatten it out so it's like super flat with the concealer. And now I'm just gonna go over, you see how the line on top of the like crease part, the cut crease part is super prominent. I'm gonna go over that part. Now that the top eye is done, I'm gonna do the under eye. So now I'm gonna take some concealer. Let's do 3 dots. And then blend it out with my beauty spond. And I'm basically just gonna do the same thing I did on the top. I'm gonna take Drama Queen and kind of like stamp it. I'm gonna take Wisteria and Sugar Plum. I'm gonna kind of blend that out. And blend that out, and then I'm going to take Heat Wave as the final color and blend it all together. The inner corner, I'm going to take just some whatever setting spray that you have. I'm going to wet a small brush, and I'm going to take my ABH Glow Kit and Sun Dipped, and I'm going to take Summer. I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my other lash, maybe do my foundation, and then come back. Okay, I did my foundation and my like lips and stuff. I just put on this NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipstick around the edges, and then I just put on top like a lip gloss. I don't usually do lip combos, but like I just decided I should do one today. But yeah, this is the final look. I'm literally so obsessed with it. I think literally said it in every video, but like no, like for real, I'm like in love with it. Like it's literally nighttime and I'll probably keep it on until like the morning. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I literally love this look. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, literally guys, please go get this palette. Like you cannot beat $20 for, hold on, let me, oh. I'm literally so dumb. I was about to count the colors in here and it says 42. 42 huge pans, all these beautiful colors for $20. I'm sorry, what? Like $20 for this huge palette, colorful palette. This is literally the only colorful palette that you'll need in your collection. Like, it has every color. It's literally so amazing. So go get this. Beauty Bay. I don't know what EYN is. I don't know if that's their brand, but like, yes, go get this palette. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload. My schedule is kind of like sporadic at the moment. I need to get on a schedule, but as of right now, I'm kind of just posting when I can because I don't have my own computer and my sister's like studying for like the LSATs and stuff, so I need to use her computer to edit. So I just edit when I can. But as of right now, I don't really have a set schedule to upload. But turn on my post notifications so you get notified when I upload, and subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, bye.